Hey guys, it's Meso here. Thanks for popping in. Come on in, because I am going to show you something today. I'm going to show you how to make something that's easy, quick, simple, but most of all, delicious, honey. So we're going to get started right now. You ready? Let's go. Look at this. Looking good, Meso. Yeah, this is my garden chicken and vegetables. It's so good, wonderful summer meal. So I have here some yellow squash, mushrooms, some asparagus, some onions, carrots, and some red, yellow, and green bell peppers. Here I have 3 large chicken breasts that I've already washed and cleaned very well with lemon juice. I've got some oriental 5 spice that I'm putting here. I'm putting in because I like it. And I've got a bunch of seasonings here that I'm going to put in. You don't have to use all of them, or you can just use what you like. But trust me, the way I'm doing it is going to be good, and better than good. I've got some sazon that I'm putting on these chicken breasts and some turmeric. I'm just putting on however much I feel that I need or I want. I've got some jerk seasoning here. Yeah, you got it. These are going to be very flavorful, seasoned very well. I've got some onion powder that I'm going to get right down on here. I said onion powder, but actually this is granulated onion, which is better. The onion powder clumps and cakes, so I don't like to use that. I use granulated onion. This is granulated garlic also. I'm using some thyme leaves. If you don't have all of these things readily available and you don't think you'll be reusing them, you can leave something out that you don't have. This is basil. Yeah, I'm putting basil in, and some black pepper. Please don't leave that out. This is a relatively new little spice I'm using called flavorful. Has nothing to do with rice or anything like that. But I've been using this for about a year now, and I really like it. And of course, you can't do anything with chicken without putting on some paprika. I'm putting just a little bit of cayenne pepper. See what I mean? Just a little bit. And some kosher salt. I'm using kosher salt. I've got my one glove on like Michael Jackson, honey. And I'm going to just come through here rubbing on all this meat so that I can get all these flavors and seasonings in. Got some extra virgin olive oil. Going to put it right down in my pan. And I'm going to then get my chicken in here. Now, believe it or not, I could smell this chicken already with the seasonings on it. But you know, it had that little raw smell. When this chicken hits this oil, oh, the smell just comes right up. Smells so good. So good. I want to just let these fry and looky. Ooh. Let me show you. Let me show you how I'm going to do it. Okay, got all the chicken in now. I want to show you something else. Yeah, this is Meso spoonula. Half spatula, half spoon. Look at that, Meso making it. Made out of the fine bamboo wood. And it's so wide and nice. It's so good for just moving your food around, lifting your food out. Very, very nice. You can get this over on my website, mesomakingit.com. Go check it out. I've already got my chicken fried, and now I'm coming back with a little bit more oil, and I'm getting in my veggies, my onions, my mushrooms, my asparagus, and my yellow squash, and my bell peppers. And I'm just going to keep these moving because I don't want these mushy. I don't want these soft. I want these to have, not a crunch, but I do want them to have some firmness. I want these vegetables to maintain their integrity. Yeah, let's say that. Let's maintain your integrity, vegetables. Okay, so I'm going to season these much like I seasoned the chicken. I'm using onion powder, black pepper, and some granulated garlic. Use it in the amounts that you like. I'm putting in some basil leaves. Give it a little stir. Give it a little twist, a little spin. Want to keep it moving around. Don't want it to steam. Don't want it to do anything besides just quickly fry. That's kosher salt that I'm using there. Oh, smells like heaven in here. Summertime. Oh, Wonderful meal for summertime. Wonderful. Let's go ahead and plate this stuff up, honey, and see what we got. Look at Miss Cookie. So I have paired this with some basmati rice, and just to make it look pretty, I put a little parsley on it. So here's my plate. I've made my vegetables, the rice, and the chicken. And I want to start right in with the vegetables. I love these big chunky pieces of mushroom. Look at that. I hope you can see they are holding their integrity. They are not mushy. They are not mushy. Ooh, got a little bit of asparagus there and some of the chicken on the other side. See? Got a little bit of everything on here except rice. That's fine. Boy, oh boy. Did I say that's fine? That's good. Oh, my carrots are still firm. Everything is still firm enough. So good. My asparagus has a little firmness to it. This just screams summertime. Take this and go sit on your back patio. Just sit out there and cool your heels and eat this. Summer stuff. Yeah, show me that again. Look at that meaty, juicy mushroom. It's like a piece of meat almost. In fact, you vegans, you could do this. You don't have to use that chicken at all, because this is hearty and light at the same time. What about that? Hearty and light. So this is some of my basmati rice, and I'm gonna just take a bit of that. It is good. Hey, yeah. This is way more than I have to do. You know, I'm supposed to be just tasting, give you guys a little bit of insight into how the meal comes out and how it looks. Turns out I'm eating. This is so good and I'm hungry. Come on, Meso. You know, if I'm not doing this on camera, of course it doesn't take me so long, because I can just scoop my stuff up better. But trying to do it on camera, you try to want it to look nice, and you don't want things falling all over the place. But you know, sometimes you just gotta go for it. Let it fall. I literally cannot stop eating this. This is so good. It's hitting my palate just right. Look at that chicken. This is so good, y'all. This is so good. Just like I like it. Just like I like it. Okay. Come on now. Enough is enough. I think you guys got the idea, don't you? You know it by now. It's good. Like 2 thumbs up, honey. Give it a big 10 or a big 100. It's good. I want to thank you guys for coming by to check on me today. You wanted to see what I was doing, and you knew I'd be throwing down. But I hope I did not disappoint. You guys are already subscribed to my channel. I appreciate you, and I thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Help me out by hitting that red subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell. And then you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I love hearing from you, and I try to answer back as many as I can, but I read each and every one of them myself. Thank you so much. I love hearing from you, hearing what's on your mind. Check me out on my other platforms. I'm on TikTok, I am on Instagram, and I'm on Facebook. Check me out and show me some support over there if you would. I'd appreciate it, guys. I want to just tell you, leave you with this thought. A lot of stuff going on in the world. Seems like there are food shortages right now and all kind of stuff going on. But hold your peace. Hold on to your peace and your belief. Make sure that you remember that God is going to see us through. He is faithful right until the end. So just hold on to everything that you got and believe that everything's going to be all right. Meantime, also prepare yourself, honey. So I want to just share my love with you and tell you to share your love with somebody else. Remember, subscribe, thumbs up, share, comment. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.